Oh man, it's crazy. You need help? It's crazy. Come guys, it's coming.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so it's 11 p.m. We're getting ready for our hike tomorrow.
A hike?
We're getting up at 5 a.m. And we only have about 6 hours to sleep, and I still need to shower and get ready. Alright, so we're heading to the bridge. Here's the gang. Huh?
Are you gonna jump?
Nah, just in case. Always want to wear board shorts just in case.
Yeah.
Right?
Board short.
Touch to the water.
Yeah, in the freeze.
Oh, perfect.
And some.
And this is Robert. Triforces. This was a Game Boy game actually. Vince.
Spin.
What's up, guys? We're here at the bridge. It's Gospel Day, so there was no school today. And we tried to come to the bridge for sunrise, but it got covered by the clouds. There's Andrew. It's alright, it was still fun. I got to fly under the bridge. It was a good time. So. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Where, right here? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm about to jump off the bridge. Very scary. Those 3 gents down there already did it. Okay, here we go! 3, 2, 1. Oh! Make your mama proud, boy. Oh my. What are you doing? Look at this boy. That wasn't so bad. Huh? How was it?
It was good, it was good. What was that, 4 times?
Yeah.
Another day, another adventure in Majuro.